exactly the thing I'm suggesting. Leverage what you know, even if you just put it in different places and execute it in different ways. Like another way to play with the butterfly, you already know this, but you might relate to it differently. So if you bring the butterfly down in front of you, and you hold the butterfly where it is, so keep it on this plane, but rotate your body to the left. Now, the poi are on your left side. And that feels like a different move, but it isn't, but it is, but it isn't, but it is. But then you can rotate your body to the right. And then you can come back to the front. Now you may also be familiar with this because this is also the basis for that butterfly turnaround. You use this in the butterfly turnaround when you come around the other way. But it is a different way to relate to the same thing. In the context of the technique with the poi, it's just this. In the context of the dance with your body, this is a different aspect of the dance than this would be. And these could allow you to do like, you could do like crossing kicks or something like that, where you're adding footwork to something just by relating to the positioning of the move relative to your body slightly differently. I mean, I'm not saying you do or don't want to do it. I'm more giving you ideas of things that you can be playing with while you're in your 7-layer dip exploration stuff. Well, and then I guess I'll just give you another quickie to go with that. If you like the little kicky thing, and then you like your little butterfly, you could be playing with the butterfly tap reverse, where you do these. And then what you want to do is first of all, whichever leg you're hitting, you want to notice that you need space this way between the two poi so that they don't tangle as they go around your leg. So you want to hit your leg, but then position the hands so that there's like one is in front and one is closer to your groin. And that's true whether you're coming into it from overhand like this or underhand like that. And then aim for just the tip as opposed to like a full wrap around. So you just want to hit with the ball so that it bounces back quickly. So do it as a tap back rather than a wrap. A wrap is going to have a very different aesthetic and it's going to have a lot more chance of tangling, right? If I go all the way around, it can get wrapped around and stuck around my leg. Whereas if I hit it just with the tip of the poi, it'll bounce back. And then you don't have to do it on the thigh. If it's easier, you could do it on the calf. I don't recommend the knee joint. If the knee is bent, maybe that's cool. Like you just did that one where you were like leg up like this, because I feel like with that, you don't stand a chance. The problem with when you go around a joint is it can wrap there and then you might get the poi actually stuck on the backside of the bend of the joint, and that can be dangerous on fire. I only know because I've had it happen, Hey, learn from my mistakes. That's what you pay a teacher for, right? I experimented so you don't hurt yourself.